Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech It Easy, where we make editing simple, clear, and practical. Today I'll show you a quick and powerful trick to make your 720p footage look like 4K using CapCut Pro 2025. This works perfectly for AI-generated clips or older low-resolution videos. Let's get started. Most AI-generated videos are stuck at 720p, soft edges, faded color, and that familiar AI blur. But in just 4 minutes, I'll show you how to turn your 720p footage into a clean, crisp, 4K-looking video using CapCut Pro 2025. Watch closely. It's the same clip, completely transformed. Let's begin. Step 1. Set up your project for 4K editing. On the right side of your screen, under the Details panel, click the Modify button at the bottom. This opens the Project Settings window. Change these values: aspect ratio, custom; resolution, custom, then type 3840 by 2160, frame rate, 30 frames per second, color space, Rec 709 SDR, keep arrange layers off, and press save. You now have a true 4K workspace, even if your source video was only 720p. Next, click Import, select your clip, and click Open. Drag it into the timeline. Select the clip and go to the Adjust tab on top. Under Basic, adjust the following: Sharpen plus 35, Contrast plus 8, Saturation plus 12, Exposure minus 2, Highlight minus 5 to minus 10, Shadow plus 5. These light changes add contrast, color depth, and texture, making your AI footage look closer to a real 1080p camera shot. Keep it subtle. The goal is a natural upgrade, not an over-edited image. Now let's clean it up and export in 4K. Click the Video tab. Scroll down and turn on Enhance Quality and choose HD for the level. This adds micro detail and restores edges without making it look artificial. Just below that, enable Reduce Image Noise and set it to Weak. This gently removes compression specks and flicker while keeping the image sharp. When it finishes processing, go to Export at the top right. In the Export window, choose Resolution, 3840 by 2160, 4Ku HD. Bitrate, custom, set to 40,000 kilobits per second. Codec, HEVC. Format, MP4. Frame rate, 30 frames per second. Bitrate mode, VBR or variable bitrate. Then hit Export. CapCut will upscale and render your 720p video at 4K dimensions. Once uploaded, YouTube's 4K processing gives your video cleaner edges, smoother gradients, and much better color retention. Benefits. These quick tweaks don't just upscale your video. They rebuild detail and color so your footage actually looks like it was shot in 4K. You'll notice sharper edges, richer tones, and smoother gradients. That's what viewers see right away. But if you skip this step, your video may still look soft or flat after uploading. You'll save a minute, sure, but you'll lose that clean, professional finish that makes your work stand out. And that's it. Your 720p footage now looks like 4K. You didn't need any plugins or AI upscalers, just smart settings inside CapCut Pro 2025. Try these exact adjustments on your next project and you'll see an instant boost in sharpness and detail. If this helped, tap like, hit subscribe, and follow for more fast, practical CapCut tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.